Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, you guys. It's Wednesday today, April 23, I think. So, you guys, I have been here for almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours waiting for my first order, and finally it's 9:43 right now. I received my first order. I got here, I think it was 8 o'clock. That's when I got here. So anyway, I just received a big order, very big order, $54 for 3 customer drop off, and it's going 9.5 miles. So thank God, thanks God. So let's wait for this order, y'all, for our pickup time. I hope they don't cancel it. I hope so, because I know here they tend to cancel my big orders. So let's just wait for the pickup time, yeah. Yo, they finally gave me my order, and I am so happy right now. 54. It's mine now. It's mine. It's my money. So let's go deliver you guys my first order. I'm going 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes to my first customer drop off. So let's go. Okay, I am here. 9:27. 9:27. This way. She's waiting for me. I guess she was tracking me down. Okay, this is our first drop off here. Good morning. Good. Okay. Oh, I just called. I think. Hello, he's coming. Oh, yeah, I guess. Okay. Do y'all have a driver license or something?
I do, but it's not him. He's in Houston.
Oh, I can use whoever. Okay, it's just 2 of us. Let me help them.
Just behind the bar would be perfect.
Okay. Hello. Alright, good one. Alright, 15:05. 15:05. I think this is this one. 15:05. It's 11:44 right now. I just received my second order, y'all. Second order, $27, going 13 miles. Why not take this order? It's slow, so let's jump on this order. I'm just waiting for them to bring it out, and so we can start delivering it. So let me wait. 22:12. It's coming. It's coming. Guys, so I was waiting for him because he said he was going back to get a bread. I don't know what's wrong with the other bread that he had. So he just came back right now. So let's go. Our first drop off, it's 7 minutes. So let's drive 7 minutes. All right, 11. 1103. Here we come. Apartment B. I mean A. That's A. Okay. Okay. It's not a lot. $46.99. $46.99. We're delivering number 2 packages. Okay. 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 What is this? Let me go read her notes. Okay, yeah, so her notes said to leave her stuff in that locker over there. That big thing there. So let's grab her items. Let's go 14 minutes to deliver our last drop off. Our third drop off. Alright, let's drop our last drop off. 202 here. Let's go. Alright. It's been 2 hours without getting an order, you guys. And I just received this order over here. $20 for 1 mile. I was like, yes, let's go shop. And when I went to check how many items, y'all, 52 items. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. Yes, it's been 2 hours sitting in this car, and I'm not going to shop that much item. Would you do it? If you've been sitting here for 2 hours and they bring that order, please comment down below. Please let me know. Because I'm not going there and shop that 52 items. Yes, the money is good. The miles is perfect. But the items, oh no. I would rather sit another freaking 2 hours. Yo, let me tell you something. It's 1:48 right now. 1:48 p.m. Have only took 2 orders because I'm getting orders every other hour. So basically 2 hours. Yep, so finally I got another one. $34 for 8 miles and 3 customer drop off. Y'all. But I'm thanking God that whenever I get an order, it be a big one. So I'm thankful for that. So every 2 hours, that's when I'm getting order, basically. So let me wait for the pickup time, because the pickup time is 1:55 and right now it's 1:49. So I am here for my first drop off. 306. That one over there. The last apartment. 306. We're going to apartment D. It's down the stairs. Alright, you guys, let's go drop our second second drop off. Oh, okay. Soda. Soda. 1932. This is 32 is here. 1932. Y'all, look at this. Are they even heavy? Oh, they are. Let me use this one. I think I'm gonna only have to come like 2 trips. Y'all, I'm trying to knock on that door like a million times. Try to knock, but nobody's coming to open the door because I need to get the code. And at this point, I think I'm about to take everything back. I tried to call his number is off. It's not even ringing. It goes straight to voicemail. So this thing's about to go back to Walmart. He's not answering?
Nope.
Okay. We gotta... I have to put it back. Thank you for your help, though. Thank you for your help. You said what?
You ready to go around the side?
Yeah. I tried a million times.
What about tapping on some of the windows right there? Tap on some of that window.
You sure?
Yeah, tap on that window. You take all this stuff back. Tap on some of the windows right there. The windows right here.
Okay.
Right there. Tap on some.
I was taking the stuff back in my car, and he finally opened the door. He was in a deep sleep, I guess. I was taking them back. Say, I'm so sorry. Anyway, let's go back. Right now it's 3 p.m. you guys, and starting 3 p.m. over here we have incentive $4 every offer that you take. I mean, you deliver, they're gonna add $4 to it. So I just got another offer, $23 for 4 miles. No, for 6 miles, and it's 3 customer drop off. So they're gonna add $4 more to this order. It's starting 3 to 11:30 p.m. So I hope after I'm going to get orders every hour starting now. So I can get this $4 extra. This type of incentive, I love them. I wish they can do it for the whole entire day, but they have this certain time that they be doing it. Yo, my trip just got canceled, y'all. And they posted again, and I took it, and they canceled it again, and they tried to give me back again. I didn't take it. And it shows that it was ready, so all they had to do was bring it outside. So I don't know what's wrong with it, because it was ready. That order was ready to bring it out. So, and the strange thing is, when I hit arrival, they tell you to take a picture immediately. Like, I never seen this kind of order before. For the first time, I took a picture. When they cancel it and I take it back again, when I hit arrival, they ask me to take a picture again. I'm like, oh, I need to stay away from this order before my account gets something that I don't want to say. Anyway, let's wait for another order. What's received in the order is $3.54 right now, y'all. So it's $24 for 8 miles. Shopping for 2 people. So let's one person have like 1 item, and the other person have like 18 items. So it's not bad. Let's go shop. I already have 2 items in there. Going down to groceries to pick up more stuff. So I'm done shopping, and since was my first shopping for the day, they changed something, y'all. They changed something. Right now, how we usually scan the barcode on a computer, right now they give us a barcode in our phone to scan. So this is new. This is a new thing. They give us a barcode to scan in our phone. $51.14. There we go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Thank you. This is my last order that I received, y'all. It was $30. $30 for 2.6 miles, guys. Shopping for 2 people. So this one here is for 1 person, and this one here is for the other person. So I'm done right now. Let's go at checkout. My last order. All right, my first drop off. Let's go to our next one. All right, this is our last order of the day, y'all. Let's go drop it off. My second drop off. Okay. Let's put it here. Guys, I just remembered I didn't end my video, and right now I'm taking a walk. I was like, you know what? Yeah, I didn't end my video. So let me tell you, today was super slow, and the thing that helped me, y'all, every time that they gave me an order, it was a very super order. It was a very good order, big order. That's why it helped me. I think I did like 5 orders in 9 hours, y'all. Only 5 orders, and I made 168. So that tells you that it was very big orders that I was receiving. So I'm so thankful. So I made 168 in 9 hours. Anyway, if you enjoy watching this kind of content, you guys, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.